Pavement markings, such as white and yellow lines and painted symbols, not only divide lanes but also indicate when it is safe to pass, change lanes, turn, or stop. Today, we'll go through the different types of road markings and their meanings. We shall look at the white lines, yellow lines, edge lines, arrows, reversible lanes, and HOV lanes. First, let's look at white road lines. White lines separate traffic traveling in the same direction. There are three types of white lines: single broken, single solid, and double solid. Single broken white lines may be crossed to change lanes when safe. Single solid white lines must not be crossed unless to avoid a hazard. Many drivers fail to obey this at traffic light intersections, which creates a dangerous situation for everyone. Double solid white lines. Double solid white lines must not be crossed for any reason. White lines separate lanes where traffic is moving in the same direction. You'll usually see these on multi-lane roads and highways. Yellow lines, on the other hand, divide traffic moving in opposite directions. The type of yellow line tells you whether passing is allowed or not. A single broken yellow line means vehicles are permitted to pass when it's safe to do so, in either direction. When you see a solid yellow line paired with a broken yellow line, passing is allowed only for the vehicle on the side with the broken line. If you're on the solid line side, you must not pass. A double solid yellow line means no passing in either direction. These lines are placed where passing would be unsafe. You should never drive on the left side of double solid yellow lines unless you're making a left turn. Or following directions from traffic authorities. Double yellow lines are even more restrictive. Think of them like a raised barrier. Do not cross them unless there is a clearly marked opening. Bike lanes are designed mainly for cyclists, and sometimes pedestrians when sidewalks are unavailable. Drivers should only enter a bike lane when preparing for a right turn, entering a driveway, or parking where permitted. Carpool lanes, also known as HOV lanes, have specific entry and exit rules. Always check the signs to confirm occupancy requirements. Center left turn lanes help keep traffic moving smoothly and reduce rear-end crashes. Use them whenever making a left turn on roads where they're provided. If you're driving slowly on a two-lane road and traffic behind you cannot pass, use a turnout lane when available. This is especially important when 5 or more vehicles are backed up behind you. Finally, always pay attention to road markings that warn you a lane is about to end, so you can merge safely and early.